today, like others have said. We're excited to show you the app that we built. Let me start with two scenarios. If you have been in a hotel in probably the last 10 years, you've probably seen something like this. A little card that says, help us save the planet, conserve water, reuse your towels and linens, etc. It's pretty cool. How about this scenario? If you have a small child at home like I do, and you happen to leave the water on the faucet for more than like 4 seconds, you may have gotten a speech, you know, like, Dad, turn the water off, save the planet, you know, slow the flow, right? So this message, the movement of going green or live more eco-friendly lifestyle, it's well permeated, it's a well communicated message. However, most individual consumers have yet to really engage, really commit to doing that. They don't perform the daily actions that make living that eco-friendly lifestyle a habit. We have a solution for that. Just like dieters today will use apps, right, to track their calories, to change their eating behaviors and eating habits, we've created an app that gives users positive feedback every time they do an action that has a positive environmental impact. We introduce to you EcoMojo.
When users land on EcoMojo, they are greeted with our slogan and a call to action to sign up and join us. They are also able to log in with their Facebook account instead if they please. Once signed up, they can access their dashboard. Now, Kenny and I wanted this app to have lots of user interaction and ways to give positive feedback. So the dashboard features a list of customizable goal cards. These are used to set their goals and track their progress. The progress comes in the form of visual feedback through percentage wheels and badges. This page, like the rest of our site, is responsive and designed with the mobile experience in mind.
Yes, and I have to add, we're very excited about how the mobile experience turned out on the app. It's up, it's live, we definitely want you to check it out, but not right now, keep your phones in your pockets. We're going to show you the coolest part of the EcoMojo app right here. Lisa mentioned the goal cards. This is where you set and track your goals. At the top of the goal card is the goal or the category. This is the action that you want to do to eco-friendly action. It's going to help improve the environment. The goal value is the actual environmental impact, quantitative impact that has. Let me explain how that works. So, you've probably heard terms like CO2 emissions or carbon footprint. To keep it very simple, living an eco-friendly lifestyle, eco-friendly actions, are actions like these that emit little to no carbon emissions. Carbon emissions is bad stuff, right? So scientists have calculated for each one of these types of actions how many exact CO2 pounds of CO2 emissions you save or prevent by doing these actions. So we researched that, found those pounds per action, and just translated them into points. That's where the points are. It works perfectly with our model. So when you choose how many times a week you want to perform one of these actions, you make your goal from the carpool, instead of using my car twice a week, on your goal card, the weekly goal is dynamically calculated and updated instantly right on the card. It's very magical. You have to come see it afterwards. Now when you do the action, you whip open your phone, you go to your I carpooled today goal card, and you click on the I did it button. When you do that, not only does the weekly results update instantly, but this awesome donut chart gives you instant visual feedback on the progress that you're making on that goal. And that's done on each one of these goals. We really love this part of the app. This was really part of the initial vision that we had when we created EcoMojo. We really feel like we nailed it on this part, huh, Lisa? Lisa's going to now talk to you about the other magical part of the dashboard.
So all the weekly result points you accumulate are saved to a grand total. This is used to bring some fun via the badges. We have 5 badges, and they start out from the Eco Starter all the way up to the Eco Master. Now, they are all grayed out at first, but when you reach a new level, they light up. Kenny and I really feel that this brings our vision full circle. So next for EcoMojo are features such as a children's section, forum, and other forms of social media, and access to environmental resources. Monetization will have a premium version that has access to extra features as well as some form of distinction. We'll also add a charity aspect where some proceeds go to eco-related organizations.
That's the basics of our EcoMojo app. We again appreciate you coming out. Again, my name is Kenny Triunfo. I love technology. I'm excited to dive into the software development field. And for those of you that are here today from companies, I'm excited to talk to you and see what projects you're working on that I might be able to help with.
And I'm Lisa Bunch. I've really enjoyed my experience in web development so far, and I'm excited to keep learning. I'm also excited to see what you all are building to help change the world. Thanks again. We are MAH00081.